Good afternoon, Dr. Gary here on the road. We sell dental practices nationwide. And we've been doing this for 12 years. Today's topic is one bank accepts, another bank denies the loan. We'll get into that, what just happened. Anyway, so we're now available to you 363 days a year. We take off Christmas and Easter. You can reach us from 7:30 a.m., 8 o'clock a.m. East Coast time to 9 p.m. East Coast. And we'll answer the phone. So we're here for you. Our phone number is 201-663-0935. And our website is dentalpracticeguide.com. So please give us a call. The information you're about to hear is for entertainment purposes only. It is not legal or business advice. If you're thinking about selling your dental practice to one of the DSOs, you have a large practice, call us first, please, because they will pay our commission. It'll be commission free to you. And at times we can get your legal fees reimbursed at closing, upon successful closing, depending on criteria and the certain whatever. But we can get that done. We've done that before. So call us about that. We'll talk to you about it. So what happened in the last 72 hours or so? One bank had denied the doctor's loan, and he had good credit and all, but he was really encumbered with a lot of debt, and he was making high salary. But he was buying a lower producing practice, so the bank was a little worried. They didn't like the cash flow because of that. I think the practice was going to explode at any time because the guy was a big producer, and he was going to try to keep his other job part-time at least. But the bank, and again, they have income debt ratios, 1.25, and it came down to risk tolerance. So the one bank fell out, and about a week and a half later, within 48 hours, I got the doctor into another bank. Historically, I like to get them into two banks at the same time. Dental banks, of course. I got the doctor into another bank, and within about a week, he was approved for the loan. We're going to be moving towards a closing table now. Simply, it's risk tolerance based on the different banks, based on the different criteria. Every deal is different for every buyer. Every contract is different. This buyer was a solid candidate, good credit and everything. It's just that it was encumbered by a lot of debt. So it's risk tolerant. How much risk the one bank will take and how much the other will take. But the other bank accepted him within about a week and a half. And we're moving towards a closing table now. So it's exciting. Simply, the message is apply to 2 or 3 banks at the same time. So you don't have to waste any time. If one denies, you go forward with the other. The better banks are somewhat close in their, in the percentage. It's going to be 10 years, 3.5%, 4%. It's creeping up to the 4 now a little bit. Some have a special teaser rate, but not everybody qualifies for that teaser rate. So just be aware of that. So anyway, that's what happened. And we are going to be processing that loan. We're going to be moving forward to a closing. So don't get discouraged if one bank turns you down. Another bank will pick you up. And it's a competitive market, and it should work out real well for you. All right? So stay in touch. We're looking forward to speak to you all. Anytime, give us a call. If you need advice, we'll give free advice. If you want a free appraisal, we'll be happy to do that for you. Just give us a call. We're available to you. If you have questions, even if you aren't one of our clients, we'll be happy to chat with you. If you want a list of all our practices that's more updated than the internet, call us up. There's no fee, no charge, no cost, no commission to the buyer. We'll get you to sign a simple non-disclosure agreement. Take care of it from there. And we'll get you the list. And then once you sign up with us as a buyer, you'll get our list every month, okay? Or every 6 weeks, whenever I produce a new one. So we're looking good. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.